One of the many advantages of coming to us for your concealed carry license training is the fact that I was an accredited police firearms instructor. This training went far beyond the minimum that is required of the state police for you to get your concealed carry license. And you get the benefit of all of that because I interject all of that throughout the training. Why? I want to make sure that you get the very best chance that if the unthinkable happens, you can come out the victor. Of course, police tactics and civilian tactics have to be different, and I'm careful not to give you anything that you're not allowed to do as a civilian per the laws that are incumbent upon you to understand and act under. During the course of our training, we're going to go through the tactics, the mental preparation, and the physiological and physical changes that you will go through during an armed encounter. This is again based upon actual police training taken from police issues that have occurred. There's weapons retention, weapon disarming, drawing of a firearm, presentation of a firearm, shooting from multi-positions. All of this we talk about, and the training that we do here prepares you for that. You don't have to forget the basics and go relearn anything. It all fits in together and you just keep learning on top of learning. Give us a call. We're at 847-965-3600. That's 847-965-3600. Better yet, stop by and see us. We're at 7609 North Milwaukee Avenue in Niles. By getting your training from someone with the level of experience that I have at a police academy, it's a value-added thing for you. You will learn things that have been tried and true that others don't know how to teach you yet. So you get more than what you're paying for with us, and that's been our attitude since we started this business. We want to give you more than anyone else and more than what you pay for. Talk to your friends that have been to see us. They'll tell you that's what works here.